Hello guys, welcome to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we will discuss a latest job opportunity in TCS. In this video, we will discuss about the eligibility criteria required for this job, the test pattern, frequently asked question, the registration end date, and how one can fill the application form to apply for this job. So, please watch the video till the end. You can get a complete idea about this job. So without further delay, let us discuss about the job opportunity. TCS Smart Hiring for the year of passing 2020, 21 and 22. Hiring is exclusively for BCA, BSc in Math, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, BVoc in CS or IT. For the year of passing 2020, 21 and 22. First we will discuss about the eligibility criteria. First, course and discipline. Full-time graduate from BCA, BSc in Math, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, Computer Science, IT, BVoc in CS or IT from the year of passing 2020, 21 and 22 are eligible. Students from NIOC, that is National Board of Open Schooling, Standard 10th and 12th can also be a part of the test if they have a full-time graduation. Second, percentage. Students should have a CGPA of 5 or 50% throughout academics in 10th, 12th and above mentioned graduation streams, that is BSc, BCA and other such. Third, backlog eras 80 KT for year of passing 22. Only students from year of passing 22 are allowed one active backlog at the time of appearing for the exam. This backlog should be cleared within the stipulated time duration to be eligible for TCS Smart Hiring. Students from year of passing 21 and 20 should have completed the course with no pending backlogs. Fourth, gap or break in education. It is mandatory for students to declare gap in education, if any. The overall academic gap should not exceed 2 years. Fifth, extended education. Students should not have any extended education in their highest qualification. They provided a note here. TCS will be conducting eligibility checks at various stages of the selection process. If a student is found ineligible at any stage, TCS reserves every right to not proceed with the candidature. TCS reserves every right to not proceed with the candidate. So you have very sure about your eligibility. Second, we will discuss the test pattern. Test provider is TCS Ion InQT in the test provider from TCS Smart Hiring process. Test pattern. Test pattern include 3 sessions. In these 3, they will check your verbal ability. Second, they check your reasoning ability and numerical ability. They are giving you a verbal ability, 24 questions. And time duration for verbal ability is 30 minutes. For reasoning ability, they are providing you 30 questions and 50 minutes for this. For numerical ability, 26 questions and 40 minutes to solve. So total questions are 80 and total time duration for this exam is 120 minutes. Let us discuss the important note. You must have all your original academic documents as applicable, such as mark sheet and degree certificates. Communication related to the test will be shared with your TCS ION. Test mode in center or remote. Once selected at the time, apply for drive cannot be changed later. TCS does not send job offers, any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, ReadyMail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, etc. TCS does not request candidate to deposit any money for job offers. TCS is not associated with any external agency, company to conduct any interview or make offer of employment on its behalf. Here they provided you a helpline and a toll-free number. If you have any query, you can call on this number or email. Let us see how one can apply for this job. First, we will log into the TCS portal. After you log in, here you have an option to register now. Click on register now. Here you have to choose in between two sessions, that is IT and BPS. If you are from IT, then click on IT. Here you have to fill the application form. In this you have to fill the name, first name, middle name, surname, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, institution name, qualification, year of passing, nearest test location, and then you have to submit. In this way you can fill the application form. So how we see the complete information about the TCS latest drive.